Here's another example of a word problem. Write a system of equations, describe the situation below, solve using any method, and fill in the blanks. So Aaliyah and her friend Emmy are knitting scarves for the homeless. Aaliyah had already completed 2 scarves and committed to making 4 more scarves per day. Emmy, who hasn't completed any scarves yet, has more free time and can make 6 scarves per day. At some point, Emmy will catch up and they will both have completed the same number of scarves. How many scarves will each woman have finished? How long will that take? So when we're looking at this and we're thinking about it, it's going to be easiest for us to think about it in terms of how many days have passed. So this is going to be number of days. So that's number of days. Now, our y, which is the other thing in the situation here, is we're talking about scarves. So this is going to be number of scarves. So now we are looking at Emmy and Aaliyah. So Aaliyah has 2 made already and is making 4 per day. So we can think about y. So this would be Aaliyah. I'll just make an A right there. Is going to be y, the total number of scarves. Now, Aaliyah has already made 2. So there's already 2 made. That 2 is not going to change. We are adding to that 2 4 every time we have a day. So 4 times the number of days. So we have 2 starting. We have 4 going in for every day that we have. Now, Emmy, on the other hand, number of scarves is going to be equal to 6 per day. So this is just going to be a simple 6x because Emmy hasn't made any yet, hasn't completed any scarves yet, but can make 6 per day. So now what the question is asking, when will they both have completed the same number? So we are trying to find out when their y's are the same. So when does Aaliyah equal Emmy? Or when does the 2 plus 4x equal Emmy's 6x? So we can look at this and we can use substitution. So we can take this 6x and plug it in right there. Aaliyah equals Emmy. Now, let's go ahead and solve this thing. So we'll get our x's on one side. And I've got 2 equals 2x. We're going to divide by 2. And my x is going to end up equaling 1. So the number of days is going to be after 1 day. And we can find out how many scarves we've made by plugging in 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And you can pretty easily see that 6 times 1, when you plug in 1 right here, 6 times 1 is going to give you 6 as well. So 6 scarves. So these are going to be our solutions. Each woman will have finished 6 scarves in 1 day.